All right, you're welcome back. We are going to quickly start styling the top bar. We're going to start from the top bar, okay? So this is the skeleton we're going to use. So in the top bar, we're going to, first of all, create the HTML for this. Okay, HTML markup for the logo, for the search, and for the phone number. Then we organize it, we style it as much as we can, okay? So let's quickly get started. All right, let's go to our index, and this is the top bar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to quickly create a division, quickly just say div. Then I'll give it a class of let's see, what am I going to call it right now? All right, let me call it because this particular first section is going to be the section for logo, right? So we'll call it logo container, logo underscore container. All right, great. So maybe inside it we are going to put logo. So we got to share, we have to type logo source, or not image source, not logo, please. Okay, inside it, then I'm going to actually put my own image for now. Okay, I think I will put the image of the logo of the owner of this e-commerce shop I'm working on. Okay, so but first of all, I have to type in the folder where the logo is going to be. Then here I will not type logo.png, logo.png. Oh, sorry, png. Great. Then I have to close this. Awesome. So the logo is already. Maybe I'll have to get the logo quickly, where the logo is, and copy it into this e-commerce, into this online shop. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna get the logo from here, images. Oh, this is the logo. Okay, let me get this one. Sure. Then you copy it, we'll go back to get it. This is the online shop, right? We'll paste this here. Great, just paste it here. Perfect. If we preview this now, if you go and check this, you're going to see that the logo is quite big. Actually, I think this logo has to be reduced, but for now it's okay. Let's work with it. All right, so the logo section is ready. Then we're going to work at the search section. So the section for search, or rather search division. Okay, so just the same div. We're gonna give it search container. Oh, there's a search container. Search container. Great. Okay. Then inside this search container, we're gonna add what do you call it again? Okay, form. Okay. From maybe what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press enter key, so add it here. Then I'm going to add form. Okay, maybe form. Am I going to give it an ID? Maybe I'll give it ID of search container, right? Yeah, search form, something like that. Yeah, search form ID. Oh, not ID, but sorry. This is how we put ID, like this. Okay, search form, search form. Okay. So inside this form now, action, we're going to work on this one. Okay, but for now, let's inside this form we're going to put in add input. Okay, oh sorry, input type text. Okay, maybe give it a name search. Okay, maybe ID, you can also add ID to it. ID search input search. Okay, let's just leave it as search. It's okay. Then you close your input. maybe placeholder, just put placeholder, because it is an online shop that we are building. Just say search for products. Great. Then I think we are done. Close up the form like this. Yes, so down here, the last but not the least, we're going to here. Okay, we're going to create another container. We're going to call it phone container or contact container. Let's call it contact container. Great. Okay, here we're going to have a phone number. I'm going to where do I have that phone number? Okay, I think I'll get the phone number at the bottom. Let me go to the website, local website. Okay, I will surely get the phone number at the bottom of this academy, right? I guess, okay, there's something I need to fix here. That's okay. Where do I have that phone number? Contact. Yeah, there's the phone number here. Okay, so come back to our work. There's the phone number here. This beautiful. So you know, in this phone number we have to add a phone number font or some, as in we're going to add an icon for phone number, but we are going to do that later. Okay, but for now I think it's okay. It's okay. Maybe okay, let's leave it like this. That's okay. So let's check and see what we have. Let's check and see what we have for now. Oh, sorry. I have to close this. I'm done with it. So go back. So do you see this logo? This logo is big. Okay, this is where the phone number is. This is the search, but the search there. There's the phone number. There's the search inputs. Okay. Now it is time for us to use CSS to organize this the way it should be. Okay. First thing we're going to do is that the top bar, we are going to work on the top bar. We're going to make top bar to be flex. Okay, so let's go back to our CSS show. This is top bar, right? Make it flex. Display flex. And you know, when you make it flex, it will force the content to be on the same line. Yeah, the content are now on the same line. If you watch, but this top bar is this logo is quite big. That's okay. I'll work on the logo quickly. Let's go back to it. Where is it again? Okay, this is it here. Logo container. We're going to work on logo container now. Sure. Okay, great. Then you convert. Have to give it a specific size. So let's give it a width. Give a width of let's say 100 pixel. Let me see how it's gonna be. It might add, but let's just check it out. Okay, make it overflow hidden. Okay, then I have to also work on the logo image. So the image of the logo, that's the image that is inside this logo, which is the logo itself. Okay, img logo container img. Good. Then you're going to make it 100% width, 100% width. So it will have width of this particular container. Let's check and see how it is now. Okay, see that makes sense, right? So the logo is here now and it's okay. I think it's okay. So everything, the logo, the search, and the phone number, they are now on the same horizontal line because of the flex we added to it. Maybe this logo we will reduce the logo a little bit, so this top bar will not be too thick, or it seems to be too thick, right? I mean too wide, right? reduce this to 80 pixel. All right, let's check it again. I think that's great. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is that we're going to make this logo, this search and this to kind of settle on okay, I don't have to bother about logo, it's okay, but this and this too. Okay, let me work on this first. Let me work on this quickly. The logo, it's okay now. It's time to work on the search. All right. Okay, so let's quickly go to search. Where is it again? Okay, yeah. Okay, this search container. You see what we're going to do right now is that we're going to make search container, you know, it's a flex item. We're going to give it a flex of 1, so it will stretch the container. Okay, and it will force this phone number to come down here, while this container of the search will stretch to somewhere here. Okay, so let's quickly do it. To do that, I'm gonna come here, down here. All right, then you start to work. Okay, just say flex 1 to stretch it for us. Believe. So you see that it has stretched this, it forced this to get here. That's the container, but this is still here. So we're going to do this such a way that it will have a specific width, a maximum width of a certain, maybe 600 maximum width, and it will center to come towards the center here. Okay, so let's do that. See, we have a form right inside it. Now search form, so we're going to target this form ID. Yeah, let's do that. That's okay. Yeah, then this form ID is going to have a max width of let's give it like 600 pixel for now. We check if it's great. Then this one, we're going to make this to be at the center. Maybe I will give this, instead of max width, I'll give it, okay, because this is not, I'm going to convert this to flex, so let's make this flex basis 600. Flex basis. Okay, now we'll now come here and convert this to flex. Display flex. Okay, now we're going to justify this and put it at the center. Okay, to do that, we're going to say justify content center, right? Justify content center. Then we also want it to align at the center, so we have to say align items center as well. So let's check what we have now. So you see that it has aligned at the center. Okay, now I'm going to kind of give this okay, let me work on the form, on the input first. This form input, let's see what we'll get. But before that, let me check this form first. Let me give this font border first. Border, I will still remove this border. Just want to check something, or let me even see how it looks here. Okay, we even have a button, search button here. I did not even add the search button. Okay, but let's give this a border first. Border, say 1 pixel, solid. Then let's get the color highlight, the colors that will fit it. Just a light color, this one. Let's check how this one will look. We just want to be seeing the color slightly, not much. So let's see how it looks. Awesome. So let's check it. Let's check it and see. Okay, I think we got what we want. That's beautiful. This is quite beautiful. We might consider increasing the color of this line, but that will be later. But we have to add a button here and restyle this too. Okay, we have to add a button quickly. So to do that, sorry, to do that, we have to go back to search. Okay, maybe come here, we'll add the border, we'll add the button, sorry, just a button. Okay, you call it search right here, search. Okay, later we'll work on this button. Maybe I will give it a name. Give it a name. Button search. Yeah, search btn, search underscore btn. Okay, that's button. That's okay. So let's check it. That's great. So now we have this. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to work on this input and stretch it to this end. Okay, let's work on it. Okay, I think we should give this a class name. Okay, so let's give it a class. This input, give it a class of sorry, search input. Yeah, or do I give the a regular class form input? Yeah, let me give the regular class form input. So that's okay. So let's work on this form input for it. Okay, let's work on it quickly. Let's go back to style. So form input. What am I going to do right now? Okay, first of all, we'll give it a width of okay, I think this form, let's convert this form to flex as well. Display flex. Then we'll now give this flex item 1, just flex 1. So it will try, it will stretch this now. So that this button will be at the extreme here. Watch it. Do you see that? That's exactly what we want. Now let's work on other things important here. Let me check this again. Let me see how it looks. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Let's work on this button. Let's check this live one. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, this one has even this kind of search. I think the other search seem to be fine. Seem to be more understood. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Let's keep. Okay, I think I will get this search icon later, but let's leave it later. By the time we start adding icon, we'll add it. Okay, but I think what I'm going to do, we are going to continue this in the next tutorial. All right, thank you so much.